Hello teacher, I'm Ben.
Hello teacher, I'm Alex. If they cut down the forest,
Thầy will destroy the wilderness. Wildlife happen.
if they build a sports center,
Thầy will need a car park.
if they move the river, if they move the river,
Thầy will
they will.
Thầy want be a hero.
If there is a shopping center,
Thầy will be a lot of traffic.
if there is a train station,
Thầy won't be any few of followers.
goodbye
Goodbye
teacher.
teacher.